Hello and welcome to Dabur Vita, What Women Want on Mirchi Plus. It's been a while, hasn't it? कोविड से बच के दुनिया हुई नॉर्मल, खुली सारी इंडस्ट्रीज, सारी दुकान और मेरी फैमिली में भी आया एक नया मेहमान. Finally we're here, kick starting season 4. क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि आप लोगों को कितना पसंद है when I invite my friends and family on this show. आज मैंने एक ऐसे रॉक स्टार को बुलाया है जो बचपन में बहुत तमाशा करता था और बड़े होकर एक बहुत बड़ा मक्कार बन गया. Please welcome the finest actor of our generation, Ranbir Kapoor. Hello. I'm so happy.
Thank you for inviting me to your show. This is the only thing I was excited about doing in the marketing of this film is to be on the couch with you.
Oh my God.
But unfortunately, we only meet on couches.
Yeah, I mean like.
कभी film तो करती नहीं है.
अरे आप इतने कम फिल्में करते हो. It will be my honor to be working with Ranbir Kapoor in a frame.
What an actress. What an actress.
That's true. Exactly. First things first, I want to talk about all the big events that have happened in the last 1 year. आपने शादी की, आप एक dad बन गए. How has it been this last year?
I think you've been ahead in the race where this is concerned because you've already seen everything, the work that you've done, the family life. There is nothing beyond this. I had the imagination कि कैसा होगा. Finally, when my daughter's born. But I could never imagine it because my imagination didn't have any control.
Yeah.
But I think the day Raha was born, it just completely changed everything. I would like to believe that it's a blessing and it's a gift.
Absolutely amazing. So Chintu uncle's parenting style, I remember, is very, very different. So आप कभी उनसे inspiration लेते हो, like with his style? What are the similarities and the differences?
I think with Papa and I guess with Dabu uncle also, the kind of parenting style they had was a little distant. Of course, they believed in family values a lot. They wanted the entire family to always be together. They were strict. They were not in buddy terms. As in, you could sit and just chat about your life. Family values that he's passed on, to me and my sister. Mm-hmm. I think that's something that I would like to instill in my daughter also.
All right, so coming to your new film, Tu Jhooti Main Makkar, it's all about lies and dishonesty. So obviously, as honest as you can be on this couch with me, आपने अपनी लाइफ में कितनी झूठ और कितने मकारी की है?
मैंने बहुत किया होगा बचपन में and when I was
अपने relationships
में दोस्तों के साथ सबके साथ मैंने बहुत किया होगा. But I guess in as you get older आप ये बात भी आपको ये सीख मिलती है कि in relationships the more honest you are, the more open you are with your partner, I think your relationship goes deeper, it becomes more meaningful.
अच्छा, which is quite like, unlike because personally, I don't know. You've not given us any personal instance of you being.
आपने कितना बोला होगा?
Well, it's not about me. You do get a chance to ask me a question in the end.
Okay.
Okay, now it's game time. This game is called Dabur Vita 7 Stars of Parenting. So out of 1 to 7 stars, you have to answer the questions I'm going to ask you. And so first is sleepless nights.
We've had some good amount of help at home. The first 2 months at least. They were a little sleepless, but I think when you have the excitement of your first child, it's the excitement that even if the baby does choo, like even when you're sleeping in bed and she's in between us, a little movement also, you're so alert in deep sleep also, aap ud jate ho and you kind of
like constantly checking like is the baby breathing.
Yeah, first 2 months I was always putting my finger under her nose, because she's so quiet. But yeah, I don't, like even if you don't get sleep, it's a very positive sacrifice.
So you're saying that then it's like 7 stars.
Yeah, 7 stars.
7 stars.
Yeah.
Holding your baby for the first time, obviously.
Oof, 7,000 stars.
7,000 stars.
That's too much.
Yeah.
And I got the opportunity to hold her at the moment that she was born, after her umbilical cord was cut. And that moment, I guess, will be etched as a very big core memory in my life. I'll never be able to forget that.
Oh my God, how lovely.
Tell me, when Taimur was born, did you do that for skin to skin where they...
Yeah, of course. We have to in the OT theatre. I think sare jo mothers hai, the first time like a baby is born, that mother's touch has to be given. They say that it has to be put
and even
on
to
your
witness
chest.
that with Alia and her, I think that was also such a magical moment because she was crying and the moment that she came on her chest and her neck, it was just very magical to watch.
Oh my God. And I hope you've recorded all this.
I didn't record that moment. I had a picture, but I really wanted to be present as to what it was.
Exactly, rather than focus. I know Saif always fires me, but